Hello everyone, welcome to my Japanese learning journey. Today is day 10 and I'm diving into Dakun and Handakun. They are essential for understanding Japanese pronunciation rules, and I'm so excited that this is the final step on mastering the basics of kana pronunciation. Okay, let's start with Dakun. Dakun is created by adding a small diacritical marks to certain kana. 4 rows are affected, including karo, saro, taro, and haro. After adding a small diacritical mark, ka becomes ga, ki becomes gi, ku becomes gu, ka becomes ga, and ko becomes go. If you are interested, you could read after me and practice with me together. The corresponding katakana followed the same way. This is saro. After adding a small diacritical mark, sa becomes za. But one thing to note, she has unique transformation into ji. Su becomes zu, sa becomes za, zo becomes zo. The katakana had the same way for transformation. This is taro. After adding a small diacritical mark, ta becomes da. But pay attention to chi. After adding the diacritical mark, chi becomes to ji. Su becomes du. Ta becomes da. To becomes do. The katakana had the same way for transformation. This is dakukun for haro. Ha becomes ba, hi becomes bi, fu becomes bu, ha becomes ba, o becomes bo. This is the transformation for haro's katakana. Now let's move to handakun. This only apply to haro and are created by adding a small circle. After adding the small circle, ha becomes pa, hi becomes pi, fu becomes pu, ha becomes pe, and ho becomes po. If you are interested, you could read after me and practice together. The corresponding katakana followed the same way. Okay, that is it for today's lesson on dakun and kendakun. With this, we have officially completed all the hiragana and katakana characters, as well as the fundamental pronunciation rules. That means we have the tools to read words and even simple sentences in Japanese. It's a solid foundation we built together over the past 10 days. If you have been following along, thanks for your support. It's an exciting journey to share with you. I will continue practicing by applying what I've learned to real vocabulary and phrases. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your encouragement keeps me going. Okay, see you in the next video.